Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain altitude of a triangle. So what is an altitude? Altitude is nothing but a perpendicular drawn from a vertex to its opposite side. Means you know what is meant by perpendicular, children? If it is a triangle, this is the vertex, right? 3 vertices. When a perpendicular, what is meant by perpendicular? A line which intersects the other line at 90 degrees, right? So a perpendicular drawn from vertex to its opposite side, that is called altitude, right? So now we write the definition here. Definition coming to a perpendicular drawn from a vertex of the triangle to the opposite side. Perpendicular drawn from a vertex of the triangle to the opposite side. So here, if I take one more triangle, here. So when a perpendicular drawn from its opposite side, this is called what? Altitude. Okay. So it is also known as altitude, also known as height of the triangle. It is also known as height of the triangle. The altitudes makes a right angle triangle with the base. If I say it is a right angle triangle, so it makes a right angle triangle with the base. Here the main use of this altitude is that is used for area calculation. Means to find the area of a triangle, altitude is required. You know area of triangle formula, half into base into height. Here height is nothing but the altitude and this is base. Okay. So different triangles have different types of altitudes. For example, if I take an obtuse angle triangle, you know what is obtuse angle triangle? A triangle in which one angle is obtuse. So this is the shape of an obtuse angled triangle, right? Here in obtuse angle triangle, the altitude is outside of the triangle. If I draw an altitude from the vertex to its opposite side, the altitude will come outside. So for such triangles, the base is extended. The base is extended and then a perpendicular is drawn from the opposite vertex to the base. Here this is height and this is called the base. This is nothing but height or altitude. Now what about acute angle triangle? Here if I find for acute angle triangle, the altitude will be inside of the triangle. So what about the right angle triangle, children? This is right angle triangle. Then what about the altitude here? Yes, for right angle triangle, the two sides here, the two sides containing the right angle are the two altitudes. Here this is the one altitude and this is the one altitude. So the two sides containing the right angle are the two altitudes of it. And an altitude need not necessarily be the interior of the triangle. It may be outside, inside or in right angle triangle, the two sides is the altitude, right? Now, what about that? The intersection of the triangle. 3 altitudes of a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle, children. If I draw an altitude from this vertex, this is one. Suppose this is A, B, C, and altitude drawn from here, and from the vertex, if I draw an altitude. Here the intersection of the 3 altitudes is called what? This point is known as orthocenter. What is it? Orthocenter. And it is denoted with the O. It is denoted with O. The orthocenter is not always inside the triangle, children. So here it may be outside, it may be inside. It is not always inside the triangle, right? So orthocenter is denoted by the letter O.